Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom right-click menu on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do first, you can simply press in your keyboard Windows plus R. It will going to open your run program, and then here you can simply type regedit. Type regedit, regedit, and then click OK. There will be a permission. Click yes. Now simply come over into here and simply navigate to this one, and then click enter. It is going to open your shell, and now you have to create a new key. For that, click on the right mouse button, click new key. Into the new key, type here open notepad, type here notepad, or you can type here open notepad. Click enter. Okay, after into the open notepad, type here new, right click, new key, name it command, and now after you have to double click on the command. Into the command section, click on this default, and now into the value data, type here notepad .exe and click enter. That's it. Now you can simply close the registry editor, and now click on the right mouse button, and here you can simply get open notepad. If you click on it, as you can see, your notepad is rightly opened. So yeah, this is how we can simply add custom right click menu on your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.